this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. So from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on transfer at the bottom right, select send crypto, and in here you need to paste in the wallet address from your other wallet. So let's go over to our other wallet. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use my Phantom wallet, but of course you can use any other wallet. Just go to something that's saying receive or deposit crypto, and in Phantom wallet that is receive. So let's click on this. And in this tutorial, we are going to transfer Solana, but of course you can use any other crypto asset. And what you need to do is you can basically click on this icon at the end of Solana next to the QR code, and then you will copy that wallet address to your clipboard. And now we can return to Coinbase to insert this wallet address. So we have pasted in our wallet address, and right now we can click on the wallet icon just down below. And here select the crypto that you wish to send, and in this tutorial I'm going to send Solana. Enter the amount of your selected crypto that you wish to transfer. And due to EU regulations, I need to fill in this section and go ahead and click on exchange to find your wallet. And if it's not there, and that is the case for Phantom wallet, then you can also click on self-custody wallet. So I'm going to click on that. But the first step is click on exchange and just select the wallet that you are transferring to. Most wallets will be on here, but not all of them. So I'm just going to click on self-custody wallet because Phantom is not on there. And here I'm going to click on sending to myself, and after I'm going to click on continue. If you're not sending to yourself, enter the recipient's full name and your recipient's country of residence, and after click on continue. Click on send now down below to confirm your transfer. And as you can see, we have sent our crypto from Coinbase to our other wallet. So now let's click on done. So when you go over to your other wallet, you will probably see your crypto being added to your balance. But please keep in mind that this can take some time for certain wallets to arrive. And in my Phantom wallet, I see that it has already been topped up. So I see that by my balance. And when I look in transactions in here, I see that my crypto is received. So that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. If this video was useful, please consider leaving a like, and thank you for watching.